really good, and the way they explain everything about the plant is really fine. And obviously the ambience and the staff appointing everyone very gently, and it's really good. Thank you.
So we had a great time, great food also. Thank you.
I really enjoyed the ambience as well as the food and the hospitality provided by the Mercedes.
Yeah, thank you very much, Central Star and Mercedes-Benz. Really loved the evening. It was a well spent Sunday, and look forward to getting associated with Mercedes-Benz very soon. Thank you so much.